How long you been doing this?
Maybe 6 years,
Oh, okay.
something like that. Yeah, you're in good hands, don't worry. Up with you, man.
What's going on, man?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Question.
Yeah.
We just got this made just in case I lock my keys in the car.
Right. Yeah, I hope you didn't try too many times because it could lock the system. Okay. No, I got it from here. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Okay, my guy. You all set?
All right, thank you, man.
No problem. You have a nice day.
You too, man.
And give me a call if you want the remote, if it doesn't let you drive, whatever.
I definitely will. I'll definitely call you back.
Okay, take it easy, man.